Hello friends. If you know me, then you know I'm a big fan of good Omens, or more specifically, the Black Cat Golden Retriever combo. And with the trailer of Our Flag Means Death coming out last week, there's yet another Black Cat and Golden Retriever duo that I want to draw. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. But with all of these duos showing up in different fonts, how do you make the character actually look like the character? In this video, I'll show you how to draw any character without having any drawing skills.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
When I was just beginning to draw, I watched a lot of tutorials to find out how to make your drawings actually look like the person you're drawing. And they all said to find recognizable features and exaggerate them, like they do in caricatures. But that's very hard to figure out when you don't know what you're looking for. So let's simplify it, using the Funko Pop style. I made some brushes for Procreate to help you make your favorite characters. The link is in the description, so please check it out. Let's start with Edward Teach, aka Blackbeard. I used my Pt.2 brush for his face, and then of course I drew his beard. He has a curly beard, so you don't have to worry about making the lines straight, and the same goes for the rest of his hair. And lastly, we add some details to the face, like around the eyes and the eyebrows. Then we can start the coloring and add some highlights and shadowing.
Somewhere close to harmony. When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid.
And here we are.
Everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers
Next up is Steed.
come and fly, come and fly, come and
I used the Headmask 1 for the base and changed his eyebrows to make him look a little bit more worried. Just like I added lines under his eyes. I drew a new nose, but this is optional, as Funkos normally just have triangles for noses. You can start drawing the hair by drawing some jagged lines around his head, and don't forget the sideburns. Steed's hair has a side part, so I started by drawing the bigger part and then the loose strand over his face. Then I'll fill up the sides. Don't forget to erase the lines covered by his hair, and then you can start coloring and adding some shading. I always add highlights to the eyes like this to give it some more depth. And that's it. No need to draw detailed eyes or noses. Just simplistic features to make anyone you want. As I said, you can get my brushes in the description below, and I'm working on more brushes. If you decide to make some Funkos, please use the hashtag FPopCreations or tag me. I'd love to see what you create. Let me know what you'd like to see next, or what brushes you'd like me to make. This week's question is, what's your favorite show or trope? And as always, remember, you are loved, you are worthy, and you matter.